So hi everyone, once again welcome back to our online learning platform SP Lessons Competitive Exam. So today we are going to discuss about NEET 2020 biology paper, date 13 September 2020, subject biology, and the timings for the exam is 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. First question: presence of which of the following conditions in urine are indicative of diabetes mellitus? Option A, ketonuria and glycosuria. Option B, renal calculi and hyperglycemia. Option C, uremia and ketonuria. Option D, uremia and renal calculi. And the answer is option A, ketonuria and glycosuria. Second one, match the following columns and select the correct option. Here we have column 1 and column 2, and in column 1 we have option A to option D, and in column 2 we have Roman number 1 to Roman 4 options. In column 1 we have placenta, zona pellucida, option C bulbourethral glands, option D Leydig cells. In column 2 we have androgens, human chronic, gonadotropin HCG, layer of the ovum, lubrication of the penins. And the options are option A 3241, option B 2341, option C 4312, option D 1423. And the answer is option B 2341. Here another match the following question is there. As in column 1, option A Bt cotton, option B adenosine deaminase deficiency, option C RNAi, option D PCR. In column 2 we have Roman number 1 gene therapy, option 2 cellular defense, option 3 detection of HIV infection, option 4 Belicious trunigenius. And the options are option A 2341, option B 1234, option C 4123, option D 3214. And the answer is option C 4123. Fourth question, the sequence that control the copy number of the linked DNA in the vector is termed. Option A palindromic sequence, option B recognition site, option C selectable marker, option D ORI site. And the answer is option D. Fifth question, again match the following column 1 and column 2. In the column 1 we have option A 15 pairs of gill slits, option B heteroceral caudal pin, option C air bladder, option D poison sting. In column 2 we have Roman number 1 trigone, Roman number 2 cyclostomes, Roman number 3 chondrocytes, option 4 osteocytes. So option A 4231, option B 1432, option C 2341, option D 3412. And the answer is option C 2341. Sixth question, in which of the following techniques the embryos are transferred to assist those females who cannot conceive? ICSI and ZIFT, option B GIFT and ICSI, option C ZIFT and IUT, option D GIFT and ZIFT. And the answer is option C ZIFT and IUT. Seventh question, select the correct events that occur during inspiration. A contraction of diaphragm, B contraction of external and internal costal muscles, option C pulmonary volume decreases, option D intrapulmonary pressure increase. And the options are option A, B and D, option B, only D, option C, A and B, option D, C and B. So, and the answer is option C, A and B. Eighth question, the QRS complex in a standard ECG represents A, depolarization of ventricles, B, repolarization of ventricles, C, repolarization of auricles, D, depolarization of auricles. And the answer is option A, depolarization of ventricles. Ninth question, the enzyme enterokinase helps to conversion of A, casinogen into casein, B, pepsinogen into pepsin, C, proteinogens into polypeptides, D, trisinogen into trypsin. And the answer is D, trypsinogen into trypsin. 10th question, identify the correct statement with reference to human digestive system. Option A, ileum is a highly coiled part. Option B, vermiform appendix arises from duodenum. Option C, ileum opens into small intestine. Option D, serosea is the innermost layer of the alimentary canal. And the answer is option A, ileum is a highly colloid part. 11th question, ray florets have hypogynous ovary. Option B, half inferior ovary. Option C, inferior ovary. Option D, superior ovary. And the answer is option C, inferior ovary. 12th question, which of the following is put into anaerobic sludge digester for further sewage treatment? Option A, effluents of primary treatment. Option B, activated sludge. Option C, primary sludge. And finally the option D is floating debris. And the answer is option B, activated sludge. 13th question, the number of substrate level phosphorylations in 1 ton of critic citric acid cycle is option A 2, option B 3, option C 0, option D 1. And the answer is option D 1. Identify the correct statement with regard to G1 phase, that means gap 1 of interphase. Option A, cell is metabologically active, grows but does not replicate its DNA. Option B, nuclear division takes place. Option C, DNA synthesis or replication takes place. Option B, reorganization of all cell components takes place. And the answer is option A, cell is metallurgically active, grows but does not replicate its DNA. 15th question, which of the following pairs is of unicellular algae? And option A, Anabene and Volvox. Option B, Crolella and Spirulina. Option C, Laminaria and Sargosum. Option D, Gelidium and Gracilaria. And the answer is option B, Crorella and Spirulina. 16th question, identify the wrong statement with reference to immunity. Active immunity is quick and gives full response. Option B, fetus receives some antibodies from mother. It is an example for passive immunity. Option C, when exposed to antigen, means living or dead, antibodies are produced in the host's body. It is called active immunity. Finally, option D, when ready-made antibodies are directly given, it's called passive immunity. And the answer is option A. Active immunity is quick and gives full response. As we have another match the following. Column 1 and column 2. Here we have floating ribs, acromion, scapula, glenoid cavity. In column 2, we have located between 2nd and 7th ribs. Head of the humerus, clavicle do not connect with the sternum. And the options are option A, 2 3 4 1, option B 4 2 1 2, option C 2 4 1 3, option D 1 3 4 2 4. 17th question, identify the basic amino acid from the following. A, lysine, B, valine, C, tyrosine, D, glutamic acid. And the answer is option A, lysine. 19th question, the plant's parts which consist of two generations are within the other. Option A, pollen grains inside the anther. Option B, germinated pollen grain with two male gametes. Option C, seed inside the fruit. Option D, embryo sac inside the ovule. And the options are option A, C and D, option B, A and D, option C, A only, option D, A only. And the answer is option B, A and D. Final question and 20 question. Identify the wrong statement with reference to transport of oxygen. Option A, higher H plus concentration in alveoli favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Option B, low BCO2 in alveoli favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Option C, binding of oxygen with hemoglobin is mainly related to partial pressure of O2. Option D, partial pressure of CO2 can interfere with O2 binding with hemoglobin. And the answer is option A. So these are just one part of biology paper from 13th September 2020, as I am unable to cover all the question in one video, as it is not that much easy to mention all these questions in one particular video, as we have a lot of questions there. So in our next video I will explain the rest of the questions from the 2021 NEET biology question paper. as these questions may will come in 2021 paper 2, as these are very important questions when compared to the previous years and previous papers. So please try to read these questions at least one time, as may who says maximum number of questions will come this year to these topics also. So let's find out which questions are came in the previous year. So just try to find out the questions in the same topics and the same chapters, so you can score maximum weightage. And you can follow us on YouTube also, and you can, if you have any doubts regarding questions and regarding the answers, just make a comment on this particular video, so we can identify and provide suitable solution for your queries and questions and difficulties. And you can send a mail as careers at the rate of itools.com, and you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Telegram too. And for neat biology question papers and previous papers, as we will provide this video in the form of PDF and ebooks too. So just make a comment, we'll provide these PDFs and ebooks with very less price in our bookstore, means we will provide when compared to the other marketing related books. So just utilize the opportunity from our SP Lessons competitive exams site. Hope you all are liking our videos as from experts. Thank you.